Have you ever pondered the mystery of how our brain communicates with our body? Today, we're going to unravel that mystery by delving into the fascinating world of neurotransmitters. Imagine the brain as a bustling city, with neurons as the inhabitants. These neurons communicate using a special language, the language of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that transmit signals across a synapse, the gap between neurons. They play a crucial role in everything we do, from thinking to moving, feeling to remembering. The first step in the process of neurotransmitter synthesis is the creation of the neurotransmitter itself. This happens inside the neuron, where specific enzymes transform certain precursors into neurotransmitters. For instance, the neurotransmitter serotonin is synthesized from the amino acid tryptophan with the help of the enzyme tryptophan hydroxylase. Once synthesized, neurotransmitters are packed into vesicles, little storage sacs, ready for their journey across the synapse. But they don't set off on their journey just yet. They wait patiently, poised on the edge of the neuron, ready to be released when the time is right. The signal for release comes in the form of an electrical impulse. This impulse, or action potential, travels down the neuron and triggers the vesicles to fuse with the neuron's membrane. This fusion causes the neurotransmitter to spill out into the synapse, where they embark on their journey towards the neighboring neuron. Upon reaching the other side of the synapse, the neurotransmitters have a very specific task: to bind to the receptors on the postsynaptic neuron. These receptors are like locks, and the neurotransmitters are the keys. Some neurotransmitters activate these receptors, causing an influx of ions that generates a new action potential. Others inhibit the receptors, preventing the generation of an action potential. This intricate dance of activation and inhibition is what allows our brains and bodies to function as they do. The neurotransmitter's journey doesn't end here. After delivering their message, they are either broken down by enzymes or reabsorbed by the presynaptic neuron, a process known as reuptake. This recycling process ensures that the synapse is ready for the next wave of neurotransmitters. Moreover, neurotransmitters also provide feedback to the presynaptic neuron, signaling it to halt the further release of neurotransmitters. This balancing act is essential to maintain the delicate equilibrium of the nervous system. In summary, neurotransmitters are the language of the brain. They are synthesized from precursors, packed into vesicles, and released into the synapse upon receiving an electrical signal. They bind to receptors on the postsynaptic neuron, activating or inhibiting them, then are either broken down or reabsorbed. Through this intricate process, neurotransmitters enable the seamless communication between our brain and body, making us who we are. So the next time you find yourself marveling at the complexity of human thought and behavior, remember, it's all thanks to the remarkable world of neurotransmitters.